Alright gang, these are the 1912, 1913, 1914 cylinders. They're pretty rough. Now, it's really hard to see these numbers. There is a serial number there. I'll post it so you can see what it is, or you can read it. So they're really not that bad. I mean, the fins are all gone. You can see that. These are dead end cylinders. Heads don't come off, just in case you didn't know. There's looks to be the rear. All these fins are gone again. Who knows what happened? It's even got a valve still in it. Yep, that one's got the valve too. There's a broken fin there. A dead end cylinder. You can see the spark plug hole. And they have not been sleeved. Yeah, so you can see those cylinders. These are super rare. You're never going to find these available. If I had somebody that wanted to build cylinders, use these as a casting after these are restored, I'd be welcome to do that. You could probably cast them up in aluminum, but cast iron or nickel would be the way to go. Looks even got a broken screwdriver or a spark plug there. So there they are. These are really rare. You'll never see these again. These are like 1936 Harley Davidson parts. I mean, they're super rare, but these are for a 1912, 1913, 1914 cylinder. And okay, here's a 1915 Harley. I'll step back and get a better look at this. That's a 1915. Okay, now so you can see that cylinder. Notice how it's got a screw right there. And there's the top piece, and there's where the plugs go for the carburetor, right? This has been restored from an as-is original motor. It was really the way to go. Was to restore it. Now, if we look at this front, you can see right there on the top how different that is. Can you see that? The main body, you can see these do not have pushrod tube covers. So I'm going to guess these are 1913 cylinders or 1912, maybe not 1914. I'd have to go look things up again. But pushrod tube covers are a big part of it. That'll indicate the year. And you see the top of these. The tops are really pretty similar. Tops are very similar. I believe these are this is a 61 cubic inch bike, and I believe these are 61 cubic inch as well. What are other differences I could indicate here? So like right there would be a pushrod tube, right? Just like right there is a pushrod tube. 12, 13, 14 cylinder, 1915 cylinder. So there it is, gang. I just thought that'd be a neat thing to show people. How that goes together and how the differences are. Alright, gang. So I would build a 12, 13, 14 twin if I could find the cases and some other parts. The cylinders are really the toughest piece to find. See, it needs the glass, and here's the Presto light tank. It actually makes a noise. I've got the speedometer, I just had to take it off. And this bike actually runs and rides. I just haven't monkeyed with it in a while. So you can see that script on there, Harley Davidson. Boy, don't get more rare than that. And that's not green. I mean, excuse me, that's not gray. It's like a green. So silent gray fellow, maybe not. More like silent green fellow. And if you've ever driven these, they're not silent. Unless they're not running. So the 12, 13, 14 would have a smooth cover. It would not have this. It would also have the raised Harley Davidson logo, not embedded, which would be later, after 16. Actually 16 and up, I think. And well, I think that's going to be it for today. I just want to show my friends on YouTube this amazing set of cylinders I got. And there's the 15 Harley again. Here are the cylinders. Find me a set of cases with, let's see if I can read that number. That's really hard to read. Aha. So you can see that nickel plating there. There it is. 2907E. So if you've got a set of cylinders, or if you've got an engine with the VIN number, with not VIN number, but the serial number 2907E, it'll be on the cases, just like it is on both these cylinders. I would be very interested to make a trade or buy those. So, yep, very, very rare. You won't find these anywhere. They're gone. They are gone. I really do not want to sell them, but I'd really like to build a motorcycle with them. So if you have those cases, or any type of 12, 13, 14 Harley Davidson lower end, I will buy those. Or trade you for them, whatever you want. Let me know. See you on the next YouTube.